Hey guys, thanks again for joining me on Monsta MTV. Today we're going to talk about what to consider when renovating an apartment versus a house. Now, at the end of the day, you've got a different size living area. Most people think of house that's got bigger living space and bigger areas with backyards, etc. However, the living spaces and the functionality, when you actually compare them, don't differ too much between apartment and house. Maybe by size, but what you're trying to achieve is all there. So the functionality is very similar. Everyone wants things like good storage, you want a nice flow between rooms, you want great luxury areas like kitchens and bathrooms. They're going to give you what you want when you spend time in those spaces. You always also want a nice private space, and you want to make sure you've got a nice living area so when you need to relax and put the feet up, it's there, and you can achieve that with an apartment renovation. Okay, so firstly, using the space well. Know exactly what it is you have, the areas you have in mind, and again, which of those rooms are the most important. Are you going to be knocking any walls down to give you a more open living area? And what exactly are you restricted by? So things like storage, plan that out, because what happens a lot with apartment renovations is we tend to look at the rooms and then we forget the storage space. And that's probably the one disadvantage you can have with an apartment living or a flat, because you don't have the things like a garage or maybe an area in the backyard with a shed that you can store extra stuff in. So take that into account first. Don't discount the storage space you're going to want. Colour is everything. You may be familiar with the whites and neutrals that you're going to want, but you need to always understand what it is you're looking to create in terms of look and appearance. Start with the ceiling. Are you going to go with that rounded look? Do you need a cool white, a warm white? Ensure that this part is planned out well. The best place to start when you actually are going with that apartment renovation is to look at an interior designer. An interior designer will give you ideas to maximize the opportunities, particularly if you're concerned about the space. You might think you might be stuck with a space that you can't work with. A professional like a designer can help you get into all those, to create those luxuries and the space in the home that you want in that apartment. And the apartment is still going to be your home. So you can't get everything by working on your own. You need to get those ideas, and interior designers are really good in terms of being able to guide you in how to maximize space. That's what they specialize in, and they do that with the use of colors and layouts. And so professional advice will help you there. And getting them to put you in the right direction through some simple consultation will pay dividends in the long run, because an apartment renovation can give you a better return if you do it right than sometimes a home renovation. If you'd like a Monsta Pro, we've got our interior designers with our Monsta Pros that can guide you this way. Please let us know. We are here to do the one-on-one with you. We've got interior designers in our Monsta Pro team that can help you with the space you're trying to create and ensure you get the best return on investment on your apartment renovation. Please pass this on to someone who you think might get some value out of it. Don't forget to subscribe to MTV. Looking forward to seeing some of your photos and ideas on your apartment reno.